Imagine making money by doing things you already do online.
What the hell are you talking about?
Reading, clicking, or reviewing. No skills, no gimmicks, just real cash in your pocket. Let's check out 10 websites that could start fattening your wallet today. Let's kick things off with a website that's so simple and lucrative, you'll be mad you didn't start sooner. 1. Literably, get paid to listen and review. Imagine getting paid just to listen to audio and give feedback.
This song is my jam!
Sounds easy, right? Literably literally pays you to review students' recordings and provide feedback on their speech. No teaching degree required, just good listening skills and attention to detail. You can choose the types of recordings you review, especially areas that interest you, whether it's language learning, accent reduction, or speech therapy. It has good flexible work hours, which means you can work whenever you want. You can make up to $10 to $20 per hour, depending on your speed and accuracy. Pro tip: start small to build your confidence, then aim for longer recordings for better pay. But hey, if listening isn't your vibe, don't worry. We're about to explore a website that pays you to talk about you. 2. Respondent. What if answering a few questions about your opinions could earn you up to $100 an hour?
Yesterday, I got paid $8K just for the afternoon.
You can connect with companies seeking honest feedback with Respondent. Most projects involve sharing your experiences or testing products. All you need is just a profile and a PayPal account. Payments range from $10 to $300 per survey, depending on the topic. The best part, you get paid for being yourself. No experience needed, just your honest opinion. Pro tip: apply for surveys in your area of expertise for better chances of approval. Maybe you love simplicity so much that you hate to let it go. Let's look at a website that lets you click, watch, and get rewarded. 3. Idle Empire. Think clicking, watching videos, and taking surveys can't make you money? Think again. You can earn while you do simple online tasks on Idle Empire. Easy, right?
So very, very easy.
Idle Empire lets you earn points by completing tasks like watching videos or filling out surveys. Points convert into cash or gift cards from popular stores, and there are no age restrictions, which is super great for students or beginners. Average payout, $5 to $10 per hour for consistent effort. Pro tip: combine multiple tasks to rack up points faster. The next website is all about using cards to cash in. Take a guess. 4. COMC, get paid for flipping sports cards. Ever thought your old sports cards could turn into cash? Let's see how it works. COMC, check out My Cards, is an online platform where you can buy, sell, or flip sports cards. You ship your cards to COMC and they handle the storage and listing.
Wow! I gotta try this!
Great for collectors or anyone looking to declutter their closet. And profits depend on card value and how well you price them. You can make anywhere from $50 to $500 per month. You don't necessarily have to be an expert. Anyone can start using COMC. Pro tip: research trending cards for the highest returns. Up next is a gig so simple, it'll have you saying, wait, so I can actually get paid for this? Let's check it out. 5. Clickworker, a platform for microwork. Can you spare 10 minutes to complete simple tasks? That's all it takes to earn with Clickworker. Clickworker offers tasks like data entry, product categorization, and writing small descriptions. Work is available worldwide and no experience is needed. The great part is, Clickworker may offer you access to higher paying tasks, boosting your earnings. Most Clickworkers earn between $5 to $10 per hour. A beginner can easily earn $100 to $300 per month. Staying 20 to 30 hours per week on your task could potentially earn you $500 to $1,000 per month or more. So you see, it's that perfect side hustle for filling in spare time or building a steady income. Pro tip: focus on tasks you can complete quickly for better hourly pay and stay consistent. So if you've got a way with words, the next website might just turn you into a global millionaire. 6. Express Writers, get paid to write content. What if you could turn your writing skills into cash?
I'm already writing dangerously fast.
Even if you're just starting out. Express Writers pays you to write blogs, articles, and website content. Beginners are welcome, but good grammar and clear writing are a must. Pay increases as your experience grows, starting at $20 to $50 per article. Some content writers have made up to $41,000 to $60,000. Flexible schedules. Write when you have time. Pro tip. Build a portfolio to boost your chances of landing higher-paying assignments. 7. TaskRabbit. Make money helping people locally. Do you enjoy fixing things, running errands, or assembling furniture? TaskRabbit might be your ticket to extra income. TaskRabbit connects you with local jobs like assembling furniture, yard work, or deliveries. Set your rates and choose tasks that fit your skills. It is very popular in big cities but growing in smaller areas too. Average earnings, $20 to $50 per hour depending on the task. Tip, offer great customer service for repeat clients and glowing reviews. If you'd rather be a creative above anything else, this next website is the key to wealth. 8. Clear Voice, freelance opportunities for creatives. Imagine working with top brands as a freelancer from anywhere in the world. Clear Voice makes it possible. Clear Voice is a platform where freelancers can find writing, graphic design, and video editing jobs. Create a professional portfolio and get matched with clients. Flexible pay rates. You can set your price per project. Best for creatives with a few examples of work to showcase. Influencers like Ann Adams are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year from Clear Voice. Stay updated to attract better gigs. Clear Voice gives you that jet-set creative lifestyle, minus the jet lag. But if you're more into turning your art into hard cash, the next gig has your name written all over it. 9. Redbubble, sell your creative designs. Got a flair for design? Turn your art into cash with zero upfront costs. Redbubble is a print-on-demand platform where you can sell custom designs on products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases.
Getting paid.
You upload designs and Redbubble handles the printing and shipping. Passive income potential. Earn royalties for every product sold. Great for artists, graphic designers, or anyone with creative ideas. Tip. Research trending designs to create products people love. But what if you're more into sharing knowledge than creating art? The next opportunity will blow your mind and fill your bank account. 10. Chegg Study. If you're a whiz at math, science, or any subject, Chegg Study can pay you to share your knowledge. With Chegg Study, you can help students and earn money. Chegg Study hires tutors to help students with homework and study prep. Work is completely flexible. You set your hours and help students around the world. Pay starts at $20 per hour. You can earn more depending on you, skill, and demand. It is perfect for college students, teachers, or anyone with expertise in a subject. What's better than an icing on a cake than payment in 24 hours? Pro tip, focus on popular subjects like math or science to get more clients. Now you know 10 legit websites where you can turn your spare time into extra cash. From reviewing audio on Literably to flipping sports cards on COMC, there's something here for everyone. Ready to start? Pick one platform, set aside 30 minutes a day, and watch your income grow. You've got this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Catch you in the next one.